she met some fool called Tumnus. Patron Susan didn't believe her. I didn't either. You look so cold. Come sit with me. Have some magic. Yes, please. Your Majesty. Anything you'd like to eat. Turkish delight.
I'm sorry. I told them you were not to be disturbed.
You don't?
Well, of course not. I mean, logically, it's impossible.
What does he teach in school?
No, this would be the first time.
Well, if she's not bad and she's not lying, then logically...
Come on! You've got to be joking.
And Mr. Thomas it is.
I must go on alone. You have to trust me.
No.
Not crazy.
You are. The strength and numbers that we Calmarines could never have imagined. This war is magic or not. Brought us together. And together, we have a chance to take back what is ours.
I just got used to the idea of being in the You have to be here, can't you?
As opposed to hundreds of years later, when you're younger.
Sorry to disappoint you. Here you go. Still hot. Since when did we open a boarding house for Telmarine soldiers?
remain in sight. Unless you want to hear this one squeal like a girl again, I'd say you should drop your weapon. Let it go! Now! Put it down. Eustace.
Hold on. I hope that wasn't British consul.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! My wife was taken just this morning. The right minute. I've been...
lift me up?
Directly.
Where? Yes.
Go.
You go where? Where actually though?
It's right there.
Yeah,
Above you.
I thought-
It's directly above you.